Hello friends, welcome to Curiosity Hive. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss yet another fun topic called patterns. Now, pattern in its mathematical concept is a set of objects or numbers or even alphabets which is related to the next item in the set with some logic or some formula or some rule. And while we solve these sums, all we need to identify is what is the underlying logic which binds these items together. Let's take this example. Now in this set we have some numbers. Now we need to get the rule that combines this series or that creates these series. Now the given number is 4 and the next number is 7. So between 4 to 7 there are 3 steps. Let's go to the next number after 7. Well, after 7, it is 10. So again, it takes 3 more steps. Let's see. After 10 is 13, which is again 3 more steps. So we can establish that this series is a jumping of numbers by 3 points. So the number after 13 would be 13 plus 3, which is 16. So this is a type of pattern. Let's look at the pattern of shapes. Now an example such as this, which has a triangle, then a square, then a circle, then again a triangle, again a square, again a circle. So what is happening is that a series of shapes is being repeated. So that is why in the third set after triangle, the same pattern needs to repeat with the square and then the circle. So this is how we identified the pattern which is repetitive. Now let's look at the third pattern of alphabets. Now alphabets or numbers are usually working the same way. For example, D to G and then G to J and so on and so forth. What is the logic? Yes, I think you've got it right. D to G has 2 alphabets in between it, E and F. After G, if you look at J, again between G and J, there are 2 alphabets, H and I. So continuing this pattern, after J, we have to leave 2 alphabets K and L and our missing alphabet will be M. So this, we identified the pattern of alphabets. Now another thing that is covered in pattern is also a missing object such as this. Let's look at this example. Here you have 4 vehicles. The first one is a single-wheeler cycle. Then you have a bicycle. Then there is a dash. And the fourth object is a car. Now we have to identify the unique thing that binds these pictures together and also has a logic. What would that be? Well, look at the wheels. The first image has just 1 wheel. Second image has 2 wheels. Third image is a blank, which we have to find out. And the fourth image has 4 wheels. So in each image, the number of wheels is increasing. So the third image of the given options would be a rickshaw, because rickshaw has 3 wheels. So we complete this pattern where the wheels is increasing in each picture or each object. Now with this knowledge, let's head on and take some questions on pattern. Let's see if we can solve them. So I hope all you third graders are ready for this challenge.
The first question reads, Maya counted the number of dots in different ladybugs. Here's the first, second and third ladybug. How many dots will the fourth ladybug have? So that means we need to understand the pattern and find the number of dots in the fourth ladybug. The first ladybug has 3, the second ladybug has 5 and the third ladybug has 7. That means in each ladybug 2 dots are getting added. Hence after the 7th, the next ladybug is going to have 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9 dots. Hence our answer is option D. So this is how we try to link the numbers to get a pattern. Let's see the next question. This says, Rachel saw different shapes arranged in a pattern as shown below. Here is an image that shows the patterns. What would be the next 3 shapes arranged in this pattern? Pattern is a repetition of arrangement. So bar, triangle, oval and bar, triangle. So this is the pattern. Then again bar, triangle, oval and bar, triangle. This is the second pattern. So the same will repeat with bar, triangle and oval of the brick size, and then there will again be another bar and then another triangle which will be of the scaly type. So this is the brick type and this would be again the brick type because that is what this one is. So based on this, our answer would be option C because it has the oval brick type, the bar brick type and the triangle which is scaly type. Next question. Deepak makes the following number pattern using a rule. He asked his sister to follow the rule and form another pattern. What pattern his sister should form? So let's find out what is the logic in this pattern. So this jumps from 5 to 9 and then from 9 to 13. Let's get what is the jump. So from 5, if you add 4, you come to 9. Similarly 9, if you add 4, you come to 13. And 13, if you add 4, well, you will come to 17. So that means the pattern is followed by adding 4s. Let's try in the last one also. From 25 to 29, well, if you add 4 to 25, you will get 29. So based on this, we need to match the other pattern where the jump is also 4 points. Let's see 7. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So this is one of the option. How about the second one? 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 and so on and so forth. So this is also correct. How about B? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18 and so on and so forth. So this is also correct. So our right answer is all of the above. Next question. A cat is chasing a mouse as shown below. The mouse is at 27 meters mark. Here you can see this. The cat starts from 7 meters and jumps 4 meters every time. How many jumps will the cat have to make to reach the mouse? So from 7, every time she jumps 4, reaching 11. From 11, another 4, she will reach 15. From 15, another 4, she'll reach 19. 19, another 4 is 23. And 23, 4 is 27. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I added 4 at each interval and understood that there are 5 jumps that the cat needs to make to reach the mouse. Hence option B is our right answer. Next question. Nicole is making a border for her bedroom wall as shown below. She made a mistake in the pattern followed by the border. Which block made by her is in the wrong way? So now we need to find the same sequence and pick out the one which has the wrong sequence. The sequence is triangle, oval, rectangle and inverted triangle. Here it starts with inverted triangle. Let's see here. It is again straight triangle, oval, rectangle and inverted. So 1 and 3 match. Let's look at 4. Again straight triangle, oval, rectangle and inverted. So 4 also match. So 2 is our incorrect one. Hence our right answer is option B. Next question. Andy drew pictures of a ship blowing puffs of smoke each time as shown below. This is the first horn, second horn and third horn. How many total number of puffs will the ship blow in the fourth and fifth horn? So this is similar to our previous question, but we need to find fourth as well as fifth horn pictures or puffs. In the first horn there are 2 puffs. In the second horn, there are 6 puffs. In the third horn, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, 10 puffs. Can you get a pattern? Well, 2 to 6 is 4 points. Let's try to identify the pattern. Well, 2 to 6 is 4 units and 6 to 10 is also 4 units. That means from 10 we'll add 4 to get the fourth horn, which will be 14. And from 14 we'll again add 4. So 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So the total number of puffs blown will be 14 plus 18. Let's do that. 14 plus 18. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 carry 1 and then tens is 3. So 32 is our answer, which is option C. Next question. May is making an art project with some buttons which follows a certain pattern. Find the missing button. Well, here is a pattern which is red, yellow, blue, green. Again, red, yellow, blue, and hence which will be the pattern? It will be green inside of a square. So which is a green square button? Which is option B. That is the right answer. Next. So this is how we are identifying the patterns by looking at the previous image sequence. Well done. So this is an easy topic, so make sure you do not get any questions wrong here.
I hope you enjoyed this session and understood the variations that can come in patterns for class 3. So, have fun. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave a comment. Till we meet again, take care.